All right, now Meru High Court is at this moment delivering a judgment on the Isiolo South constituency election petition against Abdi Koropu Tepo. Let us cross over there and listen into a bit of the proceedings.
One of alleged use of ungazetted areas as polling stations. Although there is no any specific in pleading in the petition to the effect that ungazetted areas were used as polling stations, the petitioner averred in paragraph 7.1 of the affidavit is in support of the petition that ungazetted areas were used as polling stations. He also submitted on that allegation. He cited the following examples to support his claim. One, that voting at Ares Kalicha Madrasa was inexplicably moved to ungazetted polling site in a primary school in Garifasa, which is 3 kilometers away at the last minute, and voters who turned up to vote only came to learn of the change when they arrived, prompting such disgruntled voters not to vote. 2, that Kuromume polling station was relocated to another ungazetted site that is 15 kilometers in Malkadaka. 3, that Belgesh was relocated to 20 kilometers to ungazetted site in a primary school within Garifasa. And 4, that Baby Water polling station was moved 14 kilometers to a social hall in Kenya. All these changes targeted the petitioner's areas perceived as strongholds. In his testimony in court, the petitioner stated that when he noted that the Baby Water polling station was wrongly established at Kenya in a social hall, he did not write a complaint to IEBC on the matter. He only called the second respondent about it. He also told the court that he had received information earlier that the Baby Water polling station was not in its gazetted place. He further informed the court that a rumor was doing rounds before the polling day and was rife 1 week to elections that the Baby Water polling station was going to be established in an gazetted area. But he did not see the need to confirm the rumor, as he thought that IEBC ought to inform them of any changes, for they are stakeholders. The court is aware that any change of polling station must be done in accordance with the law, and the public must be involved in the process. However, in an election petition, the petitioner bears the burden of proving that there was such illegal change of polling station. Upon examination of the forms filed by IEBC and the petitioner, each one of them bear the polling station to which the form and the results relate. In the absence of evidence to the contrary, I take judicial notice that the forms relate to the gazetted polling station thereof and is stated in the statutory form. In particular, Baby Water polling station at page 53 and 54. Kuromume mobile polling station at page 26, Ares Kalicha Madrasa polling station at page 30, Belgesh Primary School polling station and Belgesh Dam mobile polling station at page 33 and 71 respectively. Those forms were also signed by the presiding officer and or deputy presiding officer and the agents and the candidates present. What is startling is that although the petitioner told the court that he had agents in all polling stations, and in fact stated that he had 55 polling agents, he did not call any one of them as a witness, at least to substantiate where exactly the polling station he represented the petitioner was located. I am aware that he need not call a plurality of witnesses in order to prove this point, but he could not himself substantiate the claims that illegal polling stations were established in areas other than the gazetted areas. All that the petitioner hoped for was that the Kim's kit would reveal the state of things. This is surprising indeed. All right.